Have you ever wondered where we get the metals from that make up our cars, buildings, and even our smartphones? Many of these metals come from rocks called ores. An ore is a special type of rock that contains valuable minerals. These minerals are like hidden treasures within the earth. They hold important metals like iron, copper, and gold. But getting these metals out of the ore is a complex process. That's where ore processing plants come in. These plants are like giant factories that take raw ore and turn it into usable materials. It's a fascinating journey that involves crushing, grinding, separating, and refining. Let's dive in and explore the amazing world of ore processing. The first step in ore processing is to break down the large chunks of ore into smaller, more manageable pieces. This is done through a process called crushing and grinding. Imagine giant machines with powerful jaws and teeth chomping down on the ore and crushing it into smaller rocks. These rocks then go through even more crushing and grinding until they become a fine powder. This powder, called ore pulp, is then mixed with water to create a slurry. The slurry is easier to move and process in the next stages of ore processing. Crushing and grinding are essential because they increase the surface area of the ore. This makes it easier to extract the valuable minerals in later steps. Once the ore is ground into a fine powder, it's time to separate the valuable minerals from the waste rock. There are many different separation techniques, but two of the most common are flotation and magnetic separation. Flotation is a cool process that takes advantage of the different surface properties of minerals. The ore slurry is mixed with special chemicals that make the valuable minerals stick to air bubbles. These bubbles rise to the surface, carrying the minerals with them, while the waste rock sinks to the bottom. Magnetic separation is used when the valuable minerals are magnetic, like iron ore. The ore slurry is passed over a powerful magnet, which attracts and separates the magnetic minerals from the non-magnetic waste. These separation processes are like sorting through a giant pile of Legos to find the specific pieces you need. They allow us to concentrate the valuable minerals and discard the waste. Section 4, from ore to useful stuff. After separation, the concentrated minerals go through further processing to remove impurities and refine them into usable materials. This often involves chemical reactions, heating and electrolysis. For example, iron ore is processed in a blast furnace to produce iron metal. Copper ore is often smelted and then refined using electrolysis to make copper wire and other products. The final product of ore processing depends on the type of ore and the desired end use. It could be pure metals, metal alloys, or other valuable materials used in various industries. Section 5. The importance of ore processing. Ore processing plays a crucial role in our modern world. It provides the raw materials for countless products we use every day. From the steel in our buildings to the copper in our electronics, ore processing is essential for our way of life. Think about it. Your smartphone wouldn't exist without the metals and minerals extracted from ores. The glass screen, the battery, the circuits, all of these components rely on materials sourced from ore processing plants. Furthermore, ore processing supports jobs and economic growth in many regions. It's a complex and fascinating industry that involves science, engineering, and innovation. Section 6. Conclusion. It's all connected. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we interact with products made possible by ore processing. It's a hidden but essential industry that connects us to the Earth's resources. Next time you see a building, a car, or even a simple coin, remember the journey of ore from the ground to the finished product. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the importance of utilizing our planet's resources responsibly. So, the next time you hear the word ore, you'll know it's not just a boring rock, it's a treasure chest of valuable materials that shape our world.